welcome back to the vlogs, guys, and a very beautiful good morning from the island of Phuket. So this is day 2 here in Phuket, and we are here today for a half-day city tour. So we have hopped onto our taxi and we are going towards our first destination, that is the Caron viewpoint in Kata Beach. Okay guys, so we've reached the Kata viewpoint, and this is how the entrance looks. We've got eagle as well, where we can keep it in our hands and click photographs. So guys, this is how the Caron viewpoint looks. Now we've been given 20 minutes to explore the place. Here you can see some local artists making lockets and bracelets. Okay guys, so we are done with our first visit, that is the Caron viewpoint. Now we are going to the second site, that is the Big Buddha in Phuket. So as you can see, it is the statue of Buddha seated on the top of the hill, which is popularly known as the Nakad Hill. So we've come to the spot. This is the entrance. So one thing we need to keep in mind is that our shoulders and our knee has to be covered. So this is the entrance towards the Big Buddha. Some facts about the Big Buddha. The statue depicts Lord Gautama in a sitting position, and the statue is 45 meters high and 25 meters wide, and it is made of concrete, and then it's covered with Burmese marble. Okay guys, now we have come to the Wat Cholong temple, and it is one of the oldest temples in Thailand, which was built during the 19th century. It has got 3 levels. We are now here at the third level, which is a very interesting one because you can see a glass chamber out here, and at the very center of the glass chamber you can see the actual bone relic of Lord Buddha, which is housed inside the glass dome over there. Guys, now we have come to the cashew factory. This is with the name Sri Bhurapa Orchid Company Limited. So this is the cashew factory. Everyone is busy looking into the procedure of how the cashew is made. This is how the cashew comes out from the shell. Okay guys, now we have come to the last activity of our day, which is the Phuket Fantasy show. So it's a one of a lifetime experience show which takes place in Phuket. So it's a mystery, magic and myth which takes place in Thailand. So it's a nighttime attraction which offers different attractions which is nowhere to be found elsewhere in the world. So it's got a 3,000 seat state of art theater which shows an award-winning Las Vegas style shows with over 150 artists and around a couple of elephants. Hi, Mrs. Jyotika. Okay guys, now after a short tour of the park, now we have come for our meal. So it's one of the world's largest, it's almost a 4,000 seated dining area where we can enjoy royal Thai dishes and popular international cuisines. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Kindly share, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you all in the next one.